Your passport. It's more than just a travel document. It represents your country, its history, its identity. And now, the United States may completely redesign one of the world's most recognizable passports. But why? Why would Donald Trump want to change something millions of Americans already use? Is it just a new design, or is there a much bigger message behind it? The answer starts with a document that has represented America for decades. Before we talk about the new passport, we first need to understand the one America already uses. The U.S. passport isn't just a small blue book. It's one of the most secure travel documents in the world. Inside it are biometric security features, encrypted chips, laser engraving, and advanced anti-counterfeiting technology. Millions of Americans use it every year to travel across the globe. So if it's already secure, why redesign it at all? The answer has very little to do with security, and much more to do with history, identity, and a major national celebration. Despite what many headlines suggest, the United States is not replacing every passport. Instead, the Trump administration announced a limited edition commemorative passport to celebrate America's 250th anniversary in 2026. This special version keeps all the same security features, the same validity, and the same application fee. What changes is the artwork. Inside the passport are new patriotic designs, the Declaration of Independence, historical American imagery, and a prominent portrait of President Donald Trump. According to the State Department, this passport is a commemorative edition for the America 250 celebration and will be issued in limited quantities, while the standard U.S. passport continues unchanged. So, why introduce a new passport design now? The answer is simple. America is about to celebrate a historic milestone. On July 4th, 2026, the United States turns 250 years old, exactly 250 years after the Declaration of Independence was signed in 1776. To mark this once-in-a-generation event, the U.S. government launched America 250, a nationwide celebration honoring the country's history, culture, and future. The commemorative passport is one small part of that larger celebration. It's designed to showcase iconic moments, famous landmarks, and symbols that reflect America's journey over the past 2.5 centuries. Supporters say it's a patriotic tribute to the nation's history. Critics argue government documents should remain politically neutral, and that's exactly where the debate begins. As soon as the commemorative passport was announced, the reaction was immediate. Many Americans loved the idea. They saw it as a patriotic tribute, celebrating 250 years of American history. To them, a passport isn't just for travel. It's a symbol of national identity. But not everyone agreed. Critics argued, government-issued documents should stay politically neutral. Some questioned whether a commemorative passport connected to a sitting president could blur the line between national celebration and politics. Others responded, the passport celebrates America's 250th anniversary, not a political campaign. So the debate quickly became much bigger than the passport itself. It became a debate about patriotism, history, and how a nation chooses to represent itself. So, will every American eventually receive this new passport? The answer is no, at least not for now. According to the U.S. State Department, this is a limited edition commemorative passport created for the America 250 celebration. The regular U.S. passport isn't being replaced. If you apply for a passport today, you'll still receive the standard version unless you're eligible for the commemorative edition. That means your current passport remains completely valid. You don't need to replace it. You don't need to pay extra. and you don't need to worry about losing your ability to travel. In other words, this isn't a mandatory change. It's a symbolic one. A passport designed to celebrate one of the biggest milestones in American history. At first glance, it looks like America is simply getting a new passport. But in reality, this story was never just about a travel document. It's about how a nation chooses to tell its story. For some Americans, the commemorative passport is a proud symbol of 250 years of independence, freedom, and national identity. For others, it raises questions about politics, government symbolism, and where the line between history and leadership should be drawn, regardless of which side people support. One thing is certain. A passport is more than paper. It represents a country's history, its values, and how it wants the world to see it. And in 2026, America wants that story to reflect 250 years of its journey. If you enjoyed learning the story behind America's new passport, subscribe to Daily America for more documentaries that explain the history, politics, and hidden stories behind the United States. Thanks for watching.